Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting tutorial. I'm Dami of 𝐓𝐻𝐂𝐇. Today I'll be learning how to make this beautiful cowl neck top. It's backless, so I'll be showing you a simple way to achieve this. To achieve this, you need about a yard of fabric. So I made this that is just displayed on the screen. So sit back and let's enjoy the tutorial. If you are joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us today. If you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we have a new tutorial. For our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. If you'd like to join my WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description box. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also comment. Thank you. To make this top now, you fold your fabric into two, so we are lining it with the same fabric so that you can flip it to any side of your choice. So I use the length of 24 inches. I'm making this for a size 6%, so adjust it to your desired length, and I'm using the wideness of 20 and half. So for the side, for the asymmetric, the shorter side, now I step down by 10 inches. Then from the 10 inches again, I went down by 4 inches, making 14 and a half. Then I'll be connecting it to the other side of the rectangle. So I'll connect it together using a slide curve rule. And also don't forget to always add your allowance to it for stitching it. So I added 0.5 inch allowance to that. This is what the asymmetric is looking like. So for the sewing, we need 4 straps. So I've gone ahead to cut it out of 3.5 inches wide and 20 inches long. So we need 4 of them for the top. I'm making this for a size 6, so let me quickly explain. If you are making for a taller person, you can use the length of 29 inches depending on how high the person is. And for the side, on the shorter side, for this one I step down by 10 inches. So for the one you are making, you can do it for like 13 inches, then add 4, so making 17 on the other side. For this short person, I use 16. So when you are making yours, you don't have to follow this exact measurement. Follow the measurements of the person you are working with. It is very important to consider the height of the person you are working with. So now we are going to go ahead with the sewing. The straps, now we are going to be joining them together, like we will be stitching them by 0.5 inch on the side, and also on the edge, one edge will stitch it down by 0.5. so I'll go ahead to do that now. So these are the straps after sewing down, and I've given it a good press. So we are going to be fixing it to their position. So 2 is going to go for the edge, 1 on each side. So you just go ahead to pin it down at the corner of the upper part. That's the neckline, right? So you go ahead to pull it down. Then you flip the other fabric on it that is serving as a lining. So you just put it on top of it and you stitch the upper part like this. So for each side also, we are going to be putting one of the strap at the point marked 10 and a half. Don't forget, from the shoulder I step down by 10 and a half, so that 10 and a half we are going to be putting each strap on both sides like that. So you just go ahead to stitch it down also, or hold it with a pin. Once you are done securing the straps down with the pin, so you can just go it to your machine and sew it round by 0.5 inch. And on the hemline, don't forget to leave about 2 inches to use it to turn it over. So this is what the result is looking like after stitching and pressing down all the same lines. Don't forget the parts you use to turn it over to stitch it, or just hold it down with your hemming gum. So this is what the outcome of the top is looking like. It's beautiful, so you can try and lay your hands on it. So thank you for joining us in our class today. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next class.